Getting in. We're going to go 4 and a 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. That is 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We got Daniel down to Eric. Seven times on teams. Good luck. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
That's what I thought too, Justin, right? The Futures game in San Diego. Alright, so Peter gets the Indians and Triple Threads 4. Yeah, BFM, that is, we do have impeccable in. All we do is RGB.
Daniel with the Mets. Hiller, Blue Jays, Rangers. Mike, White Sox. Seth, Nationals. Charles, Red Sox. Michael, Ziggy with the Reds and Tigers. David H, Dodgers. Hiller, Mariners, Braves. Zach, Cubs. Rex with the Marlins, A's, and Yankees. Hiller, Indians, Pirates, Brewers, Phillies, Orioles. Daniel, Twins, Padres. Hiller, Cardinals. Scott with the Angels. Hiller, Rockies, Diamondbacks. Teddy, Giants. Zach, Royals, Rays, and Eric, Astros. We got to roll the dice, see which box we're doing. 1 through 18. And box number 1. Wow. So go ahead and trade if you would like to. Any trades? Any trades? Put this X over here. All right. Good luck, everybody. I don't think my chat is working. Alright, like I said, box 1. Good luck. Need a book or something. Start us off. Ooh, we got a redemption. I don't know if that's good or bad. Number 99, Carlos Correa. Number 250, Pedro. What's up, TJ? Yeah, Floyd Mayweather's in this set. I saw that. They just threw him in there. Paul Goldschmidt. Giancarlo, I hit a lot of home runs. Stanton hit 56 today. Could he hit over 62? We'll see. Daniel Murphy. We got a Jose Altuve, 24 out of 36 relic for the Astros. Eric. And we had this redemption earlier. It is Triple Threads autograph relic card. Nice. Paul Goldschmidt for Diamondbacks and Hiller. There you go, Hiller. And pack number 2. What you looking for?
Impeccable basketball?
No clue.
Gotta be here
Oh, it's
somewhere,
right there.
It's on the site.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's right
there
there.
it is.
We just didn't get it.
Yeah.
Number 250, Ryan Braun. That redemption's a misprint. Here you go, Donnie Baseball. Number 340.
On the hockey channel. Like, try it. Does it not work? If not, I can figure that out for you a little bit later.
Sorry, I was looking at that. Troy Tulowitzki, Miggy, and Strasburg.
Look at this. I love that we're accomplishing everything on this list. I'm a fan. I'm a fan of what we're doing right now.
We got a triple relic. Nice patch in the first one. Billy Hamilton, Joey Votto, and Adam Duvall. For the Reds and Ziggy. That is 20 out of 27.
Now I'm hoping we'll get some really nice hits out of there. So I can
And the last hit of the break is a National League team.
football always looks nice.
It is Dexter Fowler, now a Cardinal, 37 of 75. Hiller with the Fowler auto. 37 of 75. So thanks, everybody. That was Triple Threads number 3. Number 4 is in the store right now, jaspyshobbyland.com. Thanks, everybody.